This is Ann, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot with the LRC display. So let's get started. So this is the LRC screen display located in the lounge. To use the screen, you must turn on the Chromebox in room 5. The long stripe with the flashing light over there, it's the power button. To turn on the Chromebox, press the power button and wait for 4 seconds. To turn on the Chromebox, press the power button and wait for 4 seconds. To turn on the screen, press the power button and wait for 4 seconds. Choose LRC image C. We've added ad blocks and YouTube nonstop so you can play videos on YouTube without interruption. Press the button to turn off. It will flash blue, and after it stops flashing, it will be turned off. To do when you accidentally switch the channel and the screen turns blank, which looks like this. Firstly, choose input. It will show you a row like this. Then choose channel and press the down button. Press down to HDMI 2. Then just leave it like that. You don't have to press anything and wait. It will take around like 4 to 10 seconds.
2,000 years later.
And now it works. Sometimes there's no music coming out, although you've tried to press the sound button on the right side of the screen. To turn on the sound, use the Logitech keyboard and select the icon that tells you the current time at the very bottom. Click on it and adjust the volume. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.